Hello everyone, I'm Nekeesha. Welcome back to my channel. In today, I will be sharing with you one of my DIY aloe vera and avocado deep conditioner. So if you're interested in seeing that video, please stay tuned. Now the first ingredient that I'm going to be using in my DIY is some fresh aloe vera. First, I will be cutting the aloe vera into smaller pieces so that the gel can be extracted. The next thing that I'm going to be doing now, guys, is cutting the spikes from the side of the aloe vera leaf because you don't want to get hurt by these spikes. Aloe vera is one of my favorite ingredients that I love to use in my DIYs. I use aloe vera a lot. Even in my skincare DIYs, I use aloe vera. And guys, I'm so thankful that in Jamaica where I'm living, I have access to freshly grown aloe vera and I don't have to go out and purchase from the store. Right now, there is aloe vera growing in my garden. If you should watch one of my previous video, you would have seen where I repotted one of my aloe vera plant. Now I am using a spoon to scoop out the aloe vera gel and I'm placing it into a bowl. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, B, C, and E. It also has natural enzymes that repairs dead skin cells, makes the hair look shiny and smooth, and it also soothes the scalp. And guys, those are some of the things that I want in my hair now because I am on this hair growth journey and I want some of these benefits that aloe vera has to offer. After I have finished removing the gel from the leaf, I am going to be blending the aloe vera gel and I'll be using my NutriBullet today. Not gonna add any water, I'm just gonna blend the aloe vera as it is. So after I have finished blending the aloe vera, I am now straining the aloe vera because I want to separate the gel from the residue that is left. I'm going to be using a spoon so that the juice comes out more easily. Let me put this to the side so that it can continue to strain. In the meantime, my next ingredient is avocado. And guys, avocado contains vitamin B. It moisturizes the hair. And with that moisture, guys, it will help to prevent breakage. It makes your hair look smooth and shiny. My next ingredient that I'm adding to the blender, extra virgin olive oil. Now guys, I'm going to be using about 1 teaspoon or so of olive oil. Olive oil, guys, is very good for the hair. It nourishes and prevents the hair from cell damages. Next, I'm going to be adding some Jamaican black castor oil. And guys, this is one of my favorite oil that I love to use in my hair too. Now, castor oil strengthens the root of the hair and it promotes hair growth and it thickens the hair as well. And I'm going to be using maybe like a tablespoon or so of castor oil. Now I am adding the aloe vera juice into the blender with the other ingredients. And I'm going to do a little stir. The final ingredient that I add to the blender is 1 egg yolk. Egg is rich in protein, which helps to strengthen and protects the hair. Now I am blending in all of those ingredients to a smooth and creamy consistency. Now look at it, guys. Everything has been blended out properly. There's no lump, right? It's very creamy and very smooth. Now I'm going to be adding this to my hair. As you can see, my hair is in protective style, and I love to keep my hair in protective style even when I am shampooing and conditioning my hair. So first, what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be putting my hair into one, and then I will be taking them down little by little to add my DIY deep conditioner. As you can see, I am taking my time because I want to ensure that all of the hair gets enough of the deep conditioner. So I'm in no hurry. I'm also using a generous amount of deep conditioner because I want to ensure that the hair gets adequate amount that is needed. And also too, I had blended a little more than the amount that was needed for my hair, and I'm not going to let it go to waste, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to the hair. So as you can see here, just a small amount left. So I'm just going to go back through the hair one more time and add the remainder to the hair. When I am almost through applying the deep conditioner to the hair, guys, I am going to be massaging the scalp. Now, some of the benefits of massaging the scalp are it improves circulation, and it also nourishes and thickens the hair follicles. I massage the scalp for about a minute or so. Then I'm going to be placing a plastic cap over my hair, and I'm going to leave that on for about 1 to 2 hours. Now I'm just checking my hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the remainder of what is left in the bowl. Not much is left. I'm just going to rub the remainder of what is left onto the hair. Then I'll be giving myself a final massage. Now this is what my hair is looking like after 2 hours of deep conditioning. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and all that good stuff. This is what my hair looks like. It is feeling very moisturized. It is feeling very soft. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.